Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add alt text to image in Wings. Well, basically, what is alt text? Well, since search engines cannot read an image, they search your site's HTML code for text that describes the image. So this text is known as alt text. Adding your own alt text to your images gives both your visitors and search engines valuable information about your site's image. Now, if you want to add alt text to image, you just need to go here on Wings dashboard and click on Site and App. And here go to the website. And then you just need to click on Edit Site or select the website here where you want to put in or add alt text to image. Now here on your Wings website editor, you just need to click on the plus icon right there, which is add elements. So right from here, and then if you go to add elements, you just need to select the image. So we will be able to add the alt text to image. So we're going to select image, and then here we just need to upload some image from your computer. So we're going to click on this arrow and we can upload an image from your computer. So basically here, or if you want to go here on media from Wings, then you can select here any of the image that you want to put to your website for free. So for example, right here, just click to add to page and just like that. And then you can basically move it anywhere on this page. Now here, just need to click on the image and click on the settings right there at the bottom. Now here, you will find that alt text. And then you will find some options that you can customize your alt text to image. And basically here asking you what's in the image. So here on alt text, you just need to describe what the image is. So for example, here, coffee on the beach. So you just need to put here a simple explanation or description so they can basically search this image from the website. So here, as you can see, we have the alt text to the image. So basically, if they search for coffee in the beach, then they will show you your website. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.